Hey, I'm back with another tutorial. If you remember my last video, I bought the Walmart $50 dupe for the Dyson Air Wrap, and it was a complete failure. It died on me halfway through and it wouldn't curl my extensions. So now I actually got the Dyson. So we're gonna see if the real thing works any better. I've prepped my hair, my roots are partially dry, the ends are still damp, I've got a little volume mousse in here. I've separated my natural hair from my extension hair, and we're gonna give it a go. We're just gonna be doing the Air Wrap Styler. This is the largest barrel. Comes with a smaller one. So here we go. So far, so good. The Walmart dupe would not pick up the extension hair. I believe it was too heavy. So this does, the newest version, you can turn it so that way you can put your curls in the other direction. Probably should have done this one the other way, but I think it's about dry. All right, so far so good. I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish the bottom half. So far I've got the bottom dry. Couple tips. In a curling iron, I usually start in the front and then go backwards on each side. It did keep picking up the hair that I already curled and kind of made a mess on this side. You can tell this kind of got messed up. This one was a lot better. I did start with the pieces in the back and then worked my way forward, kind of opposite of a curling iron. And it didn't seem to pick up the pieces I already curled. I would definitely say keep the hair that's not curled yet contained in a clip because it does put out a lot of air. So they do kind of blow around and it'll start picking up any loose pieces. But so far so good, much better than the $50 Dyson dupe. And now I'm gonna work on my natural hair. Okay, so overall thoughts on the Dyson Air Wrap Styler. We're just using the Air Wrap Styler in this video. It comes with a billion other attachments. We'll save that for a later date. It does get hot like your blow dryer, but not nearly as hot as a curling iron. I do think it is created a really pretty loose curl. There is a smaller curl attachment. I think this would be good if you had shorter hair like a lob and you wanted beach waves. I don't think it gets nearly as hot as a curling iron, even on its lowest setting. I do think that it's worth the investment, especially if you have fine, fragile, blonde hair, or if you wear extensions, that's already costing you quite a bit. I do think using this as opposed to a curling iron would prolong the use of your extensions without drying them out and scorching them with a curling iron. It looks pretty good. It is probably 90% humidity today here in Florida. I will finish this video with a picture at the end of the day, just so you can see on my fine hair if it actually holds its curl and still gives it a little bit of body. I do think this is a great alternative for drying extensions instead of pulling with a round brush, which tends to loosen attachment points. So stay tuned. I'll give you my final photo at the end of the day. Thanks.